You know, I always try to wake up for the sunrise, and this is what I get. By the way, it's New Year's Eve. I forgot that point. Haley dared me to jump in the cold pool. But I am gonna accept the dare. She told me to jump in, so I have to go all head? Yeah, head under? Cannonball. Cannonball. Okay. See, with these things, you just gotta not think about it and do it! I don't want to go there.
Now in the 1980s, humor became very popular. Chappelle does make a good point in that, listen to the context.
This is the fit today. It's prom night. New Year's Eve, baby. Apparently we're listening about murders while we're watching the sunset. What you think?
Want a hat or headband?
Slope down. Happy New Year!
Happy New Year.
This is how we're going into dinner.
Look, it's so decorated.
Oh my gosh.
Hello.
Happy New Year. Happy New Year. It's 5 minutes till countdown. We're struggling to stay up. I almost missed it. Okay, let's go.